guys, welcome back to Charlie and me, our camping vlog, the van build with thanks to Gary's Glue, garysglue.ie, sponsoring all of the videos in the van build series. Today is an exciting day. It's the 3rd of December and we start building. And when I say we start building, you know the wood arrived the other day and there it is there, and there's the chop saw. And my buddy Tommy, where are you hiding? Watch this little head stick out. Watch, there he is there. That's Tommy. Tommy's a good man with a glue, with nails, with screws, with chop saws, with power tools. If you want woodwork done, I'll give you his details over the course of the build. Tommy's going to help me do the work. No, I'm going to help him do the woodwork. Today we're planning on possibly getting the foot at the foot of the bed, and the head of the bed needs to be walled, and we want to get the toilet done. And if we get anything else done, brilliant. So I will set the camera up and we'll see what we're doing along here, but that's the plan for today. The tools that we'll be using are Tom's tools, but in saying that, we will be using some of the tools that are supplied to us by Michael Murphy in Waterford. So let's go along and let's get a little bit of building done. It's an exciting day today. So the plan we have today is Tommy's actually going to frame this out. We're going to put in a studded frame for the wall for the toilet. We're only putting one wall in because the front side is going to be open, obviously, for access to the toilet. So the plan for now is to get that studded. Some time back on a video I made that gas locker, but I'm going to be honest with you, I was never happy with it. So Tommy is actually going to make us a new, slightly bigger and better gas locker. That's what's on the job next. So far, we've got this done. That's the base of the press, and it's mainly to hide all the cables, and that's the kickboard. But for now, we're going to do this press. So all the workers have been fed. It's after lunch. We managed to get in a new box. I just wasn't happy with the gas box that I built. We have the frame in for the toilet, and now we're getting ready to frame the headboard and the footboard of the bed. We need to build walls up there, and that's where we're at now. We were just saying, actually, with the half-hour break, less than a half-hour break, we did well. We're happy with what we've done. I've got the electrics in for the toilet as well, so we're happy with the progress we've made. If we get these two bits finished, we're going to call it a day. We'll be quite happy with that. Okay, so let me show you what we've been at today. This is the new gas locker that Tommy made, and it's sealed. It's much bigger, and there's the false wall. And I'll show you that on this side. He's actually just screwing that in now. That's going to be the footboard. That would have been where there was a door. And then the headboard, if you remember, there was a door there, and I'll show you how that looks from out here. And we have a cubby hole here with 220 volt shower power for when we're plugged in on site. Another thing I managed to do, and we might get it done today, I managed to get the power into the toilet. And I managed actually, where Tommy is working out, and I'll just show you, I managed to fit one of the USB points that came, and I'm very happy with these USB points. Hang on, I'll just turn this camera. So I ordered these USBs on Wish, and I gotta be honest, I have a torch charge in there, but they're a tasty little fit. Now I do have USBs on the sockets, but there's going to be one or two of them. We're thinking of putting them at the headboard as well. So we kicked off working here this morning just after 10 o'clock, and again Tommy got his bearings and stuff. We're happy with what we got done today. I'll turn the camera and I'll show you what we got done. The toilet is in. We've just to put a little piece down on both sides there, but it's in, and I'll show you the back of it now in a second. And we've just got a bit of Gary's glue and a few screws, but that is in and fitted. We got the toilet frame made for the wall. It's going to have 18mm white medite on this side and a 5mm medite on the other side. I'm using the we, okay? We got. Yeah. It was team effort. I watched. Tommy got the false floor filled here. That will be the bottom shelf. The countertop comes out to that line, so that's just a little kick guard. He also remade this for me because I wasn't happy with my gas locker. I'm very happy with that. It's slightly bigger than it was. We got the foot wall done, and I got a USB in, which I'm quite happy with. I like those USBs. They just have I actually like them, I've got to be honest. I got them on Wish months ago. I ordered them, but they only came the other day. That's the board for the side of the bed. And on this side, we got the footboard and the board in for the side of the bed. Now, I'll just show you the outside where the toilet is. So the toilet will be in behind this door. There's the 12 volt power for the pump. There's the cassette. That 12 volt power just has to connect in here. And that's the water filler. Now, none of it is glued in or screwed in yet, but the water filler is connected to its own water tank. And that's why I wanted this toilet, to save me putting a 100-litre tank. So that door will close when you need to empty the cassette. Cassette there, water filler there, and it's a very, very neat job. So I've got to be honest, very happy with what we got done. Now what I'm doing is, it'll be next week. Today is Thursday. I'm actually not here tomorrow, Friday. Possibly next Thursday, or I don't want to do it too close to Christmas, but we'll have Tommy down one more day this side of Christmas, and he's going to start making the kitchen units and making the bed. So that wraps up this part of this video. The next time will be in a couple of days on this video, when Tommy will be back with us again, and we'll continue making the bed, or he may start making the kitchen units, because that's all that's really left. And there's a bit of fiddly bits that we're discovering along the way that we're changing with some red deal and stuff, but we're happy with what we got done today. Thank you very much, sir. Look at this. He's all tired now. Look, he's all happy out. That's a happy chippy. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later.